Hi, everyone. I'm so glad you're here. I'd really appreciate it if you could show some love for this lesson. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to save it for yourself so you can practice anytime. All right, let's get started.
Hey, how's life treating you? This is a casual way to ask someone how they're really doing. It's friendlier than, how are you, and shows you care a bit more. Try it with me. Hey, how's life treating you? I'm hanging in there. This is a relaxed answer when things are okay but not perfect. You can use it with friends or coworkers. Say it. I'm hanging in there. Not too bad. This is a short, natural reply if you don't want to go into details. Say it with me. Not too bad. What's new with you? This is a curious question you can ask when you want to know what's happening in someone's life. It's casual and friendly. Repeat. What's new with you? Oh, same old, same old. This is a common answer when nothing exciting has happened. Say it naturally. Oh, same old, same old. I just got back from work. This is simple and natural to explain why you're tired or busy. Try saying it. I just got back from work. I need a coffee. Short and simple, but very useful. You can say it when you feel tired or stressed. Say it. I need a coffee. Want to hang out later? A friendly way to invite someone. Casual and common. Try it. Want to hang out later? Sure, sounds fun. A natural agreement to a plan or invitation. Say it. Sure, sounds fun. Let's grab some food. This is another way to suggest hanging out while eating. Say it naturally. Let's grab some food. I've heard so much about you. Polite and friendly. Often used when meeting someone new. Say it warmly. I've heard so much about you. Now let's try a short conversation using these phrases. Hey, how's life treating you? I'm hanging in there. How about you? Not too bad. What's new with you? Oh, same old, same old. I just got back from work. I need a coffee. Want to hang out later? Sure, sounds fun. Let's grab some food. See how natural that sounds? That's how real-life English flows. Simple, friendly, and easy to use. Now, let's look at some friendly phrases to show support or care. These are super useful in everyday conversations. You got this. A short way to encourage someone before a challenge. Say it. You got this. Don't worry about it. A casual response when someone apologizes or feels bad. Say it naturally. Don't worry about it. Take your time. A polite way to tell someone not to rush. Say it slowly. Take your time. Thanks a bunch. More heartfelt than just thanks. Say it warmly. Thanks a bunch. I really appreciate it. Shows deep gratitude. Repeat. I really appreciate it. No problem. A relaxed response when someone thanks you. Say it. No problem. I've got your back. Friendly way to show support. Say it with confidence. I've got your back. That was awesome. Use it when praising someone casually. Say it naturally. That was awesome. Keep going. Short and motivating. Great for encouragement. Say it. Keep going. Everything's gonna be okay. A comforting phrase. Soft and caring. Say it gently. Everything's gonna be okay. Now imagine a small situation. Your friend is stressed about a big test. You say, hey, don't worry. You got this. You studied hard. Everything's gonna be okay. This is real emotional English, not just grammar. It connects people. Let's review today's phrases. Say them naturally, like you would in life. Hey, how's life treating you? I'm hanging in there. Not too bad. What's new with you? Oh, same old, same old. I just got back from work. I need a coffee. Want to hang out later? Sure, sounds fun. Let's grab some food. I've heard so much about you. You got this. Don't worry about it. Take your time. Thanks a bunch. I really appreciate it. No problem. I've got your back. That was awesome. Keep going. Everything's gonna be okay. Great job. You're not just repeating words, you're practicing English that people actually use in life. Next, we'll move into English for tricky or urgent situations. This includes phrases for asking help, staying safe, or expressing emergencies. Using these phrases naturally can help you stay calm and confident. Are you ready? Let's start. Can you help me? Polite but clear. Say it. Can you help me? I need help right now. Strong and urgent. Say it. I need help right now. Something's not right. Use when you feel unsafe or something's wrong. Say it calmly. Something's not right. Please call the police. Serious and direct. Repeat. Please call the police. Please call an ambulance. Use when someone is hurt. Say it. Please call an ambulance. Is there a hospital nearby? Useful when traveling. Say it. Is there a hospital nearby? I'm lost. Can you show me the way? Say it kindly. I'm lost. Can you show me the way? I can't find my phone. A common problem. Say it naturally. I can't find my phone. I lost my wallet. Short and clear. Say it. I lost my wallet. I think I left my bag in the taxi. Natural for travelers.
I think I left my bag in the taxi. Now, some medical emergencies. I don't feel well. Say it softly but clearly. I don't feel well. I feel dizzy. Say it. I feel dizzy. My chest hurts. Serious. Say it clearly. My chest hurts. I can't breathe. Even if your voice is weak, say it strongly. I can't breathe. I need to see a doctor. Say it clearly. I need to see a doctor. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Say it naturally. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Can I have some water, please? Say it kindly. Can I have some water, please? I think I'm going to faint. Say it carefully. I think I'm going to faint. Please stay with me. Say it clearly. Please stay with me. I'm allergic to peanuts. Replace peanuts with your allergy if needed. Say it. I'm allergic to peanuts. Danger situations. There's a fire. Say it loudly. There's a fire. Get out of here. Say it strongly. Get out of here. Be careful. Quick warning. Say it fast. Be careful. Watch out. Danger is near. Say it clearly. Watch out.
Let's start with friendly conversations. What's up? A super common greeting among friends. Short, casual, and easy. Try it. What's up? Not much, just chilling. A casual way to say nothing important is happening. Say it naturally. Not much, just chilling. How's your day going? A polite way to ask how someone's day is. Say it. How's your day going? Can't complain. A natural, relaxed answer when your day is okay. Try it. Can't complain. Long time no see. Use this when you meet someone after a while. It's friendly and casual. Say it. Long time no see. Let's catch up soon. Use this to suggest talking or meeting again. Say it naturally. Let's catch up soon. Now, a mini dialogue using these phrases. Hey, what's up? Not much, just chilling. How's your day going? Can't complain. Long time no see. Yeah, let's catch up soon. Perfect. That's exactly how friends chat in real life. Next, English at work or school. Could you give me a hand? A polite way to ask for help. Say it. Could you give me a hand? I'm swamped. Use this when you're really busy. Say it naturally. I'm swamped. Let's brainstorm some ideas. Common in meetings or teamwork. Say it. Let's brainstorm some ideas. Can we touch base later? Professional, friendly way to suggest checking in. Say it. Can we touch base later? I'm on it. Short and confident response when you're handling a task. Say it naturally. I'm on it. Here's a mini work dialogue. Could you give me a hand with this report? Sure, I'm on it. Thanks, I'm swamped today. No worries, let's brainstorm some ideas together later.
Now, travel and public situations. Excuse me, do you know where this is? Polite question for directions. Say it. Excuse me, do you know where this is? I'm just looking. Use this in shops if someone offers help. Say it naturally. I'm just looking.
Could I get the bill, please? Essential in restaurants. Say it. Could I get the bill, please? Do you speak English? Important while traveling. Say it clearly. Do you speak English? How much is this? Simple and necessary. Say it naturally. How much is this? I'd like this one, please. When ordering or buying. Say it. I'd like this one, please. Mini dialogue for traveling. Excuse me, do you know where this is? Sure, it's that way. Thanks, I'm just looking around. No problem. By the way, could I get the bill, please? Right away. More casual everyday phrases to sound like a native. That's insane. Use when something surprises you. Say it. That's insane. No way. Another casual expression for surprise or disbelief. Say it naturally. No way. I'm starving. Common when you're very hungry. Say it. I'm starving. Let's grab a bite. Suggests eating together casually. Say it. Let's grab a bite. I feel you. Express empathy. Say it naturally. I feel you. Hang on a sec. Use when asking someone to wait. Say it. Hang on a sec. Sounds like a plan. Agreeing to a suggestion. Say it naturally. Sounds like a plan. Encouragement and support phrases for daily life. You're killing it. Praise someone doing well. Say it. You're killing it. Keep it real. Encourage honesty or authenticity. Say it. Keep it real. Don't sweat it. Tell someone not to worry. Say it naturally. Don't sweat it. You got this. Motivating before a challenge. Say it. You got this. Take it easy. Suggest relaxing or not stressing. Say it naturally. Take it easy.
Mini life scenario. Your friend just failed a small test. Don't sweat it. You got this. Thanks. I'll take it easy and try again tomorrow. Your colleague just finished a big project. You're killing it. Great job on the report. Thanks. Couldn't have done it without your help. All right, let's review all the new phrases from part 2. Repeat naturally, like you'd say in real life. What's up? Not much, just chillin'. How's your day going? Can't complain. Long time no see. Let's catch up soon. Could you give me a hand? I'm swamped. Let's brainstorm some ideas. Can we touch base later? I'm on it. Excuse me, do you know where this is? I'm just looking. Could I get the bill, please? Do you speak English? How much is this? I'd like this one, please. That's insane. No way. I'm starving. Let's grab a bite. I feel you. Hang on a sec. Sounds like a plan. You're killing it. Keep it real. Don't sweat it. You got this. Take it easy.